Today, in partnership with the Football Association of Wales, I'm launching a new campaign which aims to tackle misogyny online. The campaign is centred around a powerful film featuring Welsh football players which highlights real-life examples of abusive, derogatory comments on social media. Even today, many girls and women experience misogynistic comments, and this abuse increasingly takes place online. We all have a right to freedom from discrimination, and I am committed to ensuring that children and young people in Wales are given opportunities to learn about their rights and the rights of others. This is why we've worked with online safety experts to develop new education resources that explore this issue in more depth. Both primary and secondary resources reflect upon concepts outlined in the FAW film, which you can now find on the Keeping Safe Online area of Hub. Online abuse like this is harmful, and it can have a long-lasting effect on the individual or group being targeted. This behaviour should not be tolerated, normalised or expected in online spaces, and we need to take a stand against it. These resources support practitioners to discuss respectful behaviour online and the impact of misogynistic behaviour on others. And critically, they seek to raise awareness of how to safely challenge online abuse. But the work doesn't stop there. I strongly believe that high-quality learning of relationships and sexuality education will play an important role in supporting our children and young people to understand and respect our differences. That is why we are making it a statutory requirement within the new curriculum in 2022. It'll provide children and young people with access to information that keeps them safe from harm and enables them to recognise healthy, safe relationships. I firmly believe that education is key to tackling misogyny online, and we all have a role to play. If you see this behaviour, block and report it.